You have to break it. Oh, no, no.
Makasira.
Come here. Sit with grandma then.
Hindi kita bibigyan.
Grip. You didn't hug grandma yet. No, that's not a hug one.
You already had 10
Oh, so, mautak din eh.
Nito ko na naman. Nito.
Joe, just my money.
Another whole wallet?
No, just the one. Just like that.
Grandma, no more money. See, may 100. Bago yan na.
Oo nga. Galing sa bangko.
Oh.
Sa bangko. Hindi ko tinitiklop ng pera. Dili. 100. Nene, palit mo ni.
Oh, this so.
Okay, sure tayo nyo.
Ate Dunggat. Oh, ano sabi mo? Oh, so no more. Ate Dong doesn't owe you anymore. Oh, you have to X that list though. Ipa-X mo yung list.
Yoy, you got one palo. Kasi ha.
Here you go. Here's 520.
There we go.
Yay!
We are in Alaska. No, no night time.
Show it on the video.
Oo, binola si grandma.
For a trip.
Yeah.
Yay!
Mom, do you have your purse? I've got your money for your trip.
Okay, later. Jade, do you want your money? Grandma had.
Do you want?
Do you want it?
No? Mommy?
Go get it now.
Oh, so grandma. Thank you.
Hug. Julene, hug. Oh.
Yay!
You don't owe me.
Jade.
I'll beat you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hug grandma. Hug grandma. Eh, next week. Oh, eh, Juliana, kumingi ka pa rin.
Hindi pa rin sa akin.
Ni. Eh. Eh. She want too money because Julie got too money. Honey, put it back that 10 to grandma. You have 10? That's...
Saka na yan.
Oo nga eh.
You want to hold it? Here you go. You want one more so you have 3?
Give it to grandma. Oh! Give it to grandma, Jilana. Change to grandma. Eh, eh that's $1, $10 binig. Ah, be nice.
Oh, your bunny.
Hey, where'd my thing go?
Ay, dito.
Ba talagang Jo ah. Grandma is giving you, Julene.
Wait, what?
Did you delete now? Only mom?
Save mo na yan.
Mom 20, Dad 15. Mom 0.
Put it there. Grandma will hide it for you. Don't forget. Akin na kapago. Makakalimutan ko dyan. Put it on our deposit in the...
Ni wag,
Put it on.
makita na naman niya kukunin niya lahat yung pera mo.
Put it in our closet. Yeah, your money. Put it in our closet.
Oh, why you have your tears? Oh. Wipe your tears now.
Ilagay mo doon sa cabinet mo doon. This one. Diba si Jay wala? Meron.
Hey, but the baby one, they always touching it. Not at that.
Put that in a bedroom na. Lulu na.
Oh, you got money now. Luloy-luloy now.
Oh, sige na.
Yeah. Oh, si grandma has more money. Luloy-luloy na.
Luloy na, bigyan pa kita.
Baby money pet.
Eh. Eh, Jilana. Eh, man, ba't sa kanya lahat yan?
Power.
Give that 20 back. 20.